Hi everybody, Greg Luchak with Luchak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. Today I'm bringing you a neighborhood tour, a very, very special neighborhood, or pair of neighborhoods on the northeast end of town. This is Greenbrier Park and Northwind. Separated by Dublin Boulevard that kind of runs through the middle. You've got Northwind to the south and you've got Greenbriar to the north. Now the real highlights of these neighborhoods, Northwind and Greenbriar, are the proximity to Cottonwood Creek Park. Cottonwood Creek Park is the preeminent and the largest park here on the northeast end of Colorado Springs. You've got fantastic walking trails, about 20 miles of walking or biking trails that run along the creek. You've got tons of space for play. You've got a ton of soccer fields where the kids will play the Little League soccer and things like that. You've got fields for softball and Little League as well. An inlaid outdoor roller rink. You've got a fantastic, huge water slide park and just a ton of space for recreation for sure out here. It's also a fantastic location because it's got easy access from Woodman or from Dublin down to I-25, and you're sandwiched right in the middle of Academy and Powers Corridor, so you've got great shopping and restaurants on both sides as well. These neighborhoods tend to be properties built in the 80s and 90s, so you get a lot of the sort of tri-level floor plans, and then you move into as the 90s built, you get a lot of the more traditional 2 stories floor plans as well. A lot of 2-car garages in these areas, and a lot of really nice layout where you get some of the brick accents, mature trees, beautiful landscaping, and again, super, super easy access. Again, this is Northwind and Greenbrier Park, 2 fantastic neighborhoods here in Northeast Colorado Springs, very sought after, very, very popular. If you'd like more information about these neighborhoods, please visit www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like more information directly and you want to call me directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much.